If you've been looking for a simple way to earn commissions online without having to sell, host live events, or show your face, this might exactly what you've been looking for. The truth is, webinars are one of the most powerful tools for generating online sales. But hosting them yourself can be a nightmare, from creating slides, memorizing scripts, to dealing with tech issues. That's why John Turnhill created the Webinar Profit Engine, a complete done for you system that automates the entire process. It's built around automated webinars that are already proven to convert. You don't have to present, write scripts, or even create a product. Just plug into John's system, promote your unique affiliate link, and let the automation handle the rest. You'll get access to ready made webinar funnels, follow up emails, ad copy, and step by step traffic training to start generating leads and sales quickly. And since it's 100% automated, your webinar runs around the clock, earning you commissions even when you're not online. No audience, no tech headaches, and no camera needed. Just a system that does the heavy lifting for you. Click the link below to see how you can start earning affiliate commissions on Autopilot with Webinar Profit